I'm gonna play Minecraft now, and you might not hear me because there's people around. So yeah, I'm gonna play Minecraft. This is some world I built. So the cows are invading, and not kill the baby cows and pigs and stuff. Kill everything except for pigs, baby cows, baby sheep. And I don't want to kill the sheep because I like sheep, so I just kill the cows. This is for invading. This is for Saurus Jr. Like it. So yeah, I'm gonna play it. If you hear background noises, that's the people. So yeah.
Why are you saying that for Leo?
Let's kill them.
Leo? There's something holding it.
That's my cousin. AKA annoying cousin.
Who are you?
Cows, chickens. So yeah, and this is gonna be a short video of my world. I'll be doing a tour of every tower I'm gonna make. Like could put sheep and cows. Not cows. What? Or chicken. And yeah, I'll see you later, guys.